So it's simplistic to actually bring out a waste without a standard jam ring, which you would have to screw up and put sealant on it. So McAlpine once again have came up with the CWP60-SS waste. Now the advantage of this to the customer is that this is also a dry fix. There is no sealant required. To the merchant, it's got the advantage he doesn't have to stock two products. He only has to stock one, because this does overflows and non-overflow basins. So you're not having to keep two separate waste outlets to satisfy the customer. Once again, you have a quality, i.e. centre ferrule, which causes the compression against the seals. As you can see the quality of the product. If you're doing a basin which has not got an overflow, you leave this spacer in. If you're doing a basin, i.e. with an overflow, you simply put that together, take your ferrule, comes complete with a fixing tool, and everything's done from the top. We're just holding the bottom. You're not going under the basin with a pair of grips to tighten up a jam ring. And if you want to be really smart to utilise the space under the basin, we have the WHB1 self-sealing and closing valve, which simply goes in to the bottom of the CPW and utilises all the space under the basin. It's also a very, very handy tool to have in holiday homes or anything like that, because it doesn't matter about drying out the water seal. So you've got 100% installation through. And that's the McAlpine CWP60-SS.